Sarah with Bulletproof Dog Training here in Cincinnati, Ohio. Today I've got my newest 15-day board and train. This is Max. Max is a golden doodle. He is here for basic issues. He likes to pull on the leash. He can be a little bit reactive towards dogs. He's not mean, but he can be very loud. And he doesn't want to be quiet even when Dad asks him to. So we're going to go ahead and see if we can help fix some of those problems. But before we get started, let's go ahead and see if Max knows any commands. Max, do you come? Come. Come. Come here, Max. Come, good boy. Okay, not really. That's all right. What about sit? Max, do you know how to sit? You know how to sit? No? Okay, what about down? Lay down? Nope. Well, obviously we have a lot of work to do with Max here. He's a little bit confused, but it might just be because he's so distracted. We'll have to wait and see. But why don't you go ahead and keep on watching this video to see his amazing transformation.